Uncle Bubba's Texas Poppers made with smoked brisket on the Green Mountain Grills. We got the largest jalapenos we could find, just slice the ends of them off, and Patti uses a melon baller to clean out the insides. Cleaned and ready for stuffing. We cut our brisket up into slices about the size of your little finger. Then Patti stuffed the jalapenos with the cream cheese mixture and then stuffed the brisket in on top of that. Just slide your brisket right on into that pepper. We like to use thick sliced pepper bacon and use a whole length of it because we really like bacon. Just wrap it around your jalapeno and pin it with a toothpick and you're good to go. We're using Earthworks' new jalapeno rack, and because of the amount of bacon and the size of our peppers, we weren't able to actually fill the rack up for what it was designed, but it worked perfect for what we wanted to do. Move a lot of peppers all at the same time. About the last 10 minutes of your cook, brush your poppers off with your Uncle Bubba's Whisky barbecue sauce. We'll put a link in the description for the recipe. Love that kiss of smoke. These are looking good. It's time to bring them in now. You can see how easy the Earthworks pepper rack works for moving the peppers all on and off the grill. These are looking and smelling good. It's time to eat these big boys. "45 minutes at 350 degrees on the Green Mountain wood pellet grill. Let's eat.